today's video, we are going to be going over one of the staples that you absolutely need to know and we'll be doing a lot of when creating any balloon art, and that is how to create a cluster. So let's jump into it.
We're getting crazy in a different role. We're getting crazy in a different role.
I know I need 6 balloons to make a cluster. So I have 5 of my Tough Tex Fiona Green in the 11-inch here, and then I'm gonna throw in one of my 17 inches as well. Now you can do 6 of any variety, so if you wanna have a few more 17 inches in there, go for it, just as long as you have 6 total. And just as another little tip, as far as when you're going and using those larger balloons in your clusters, those 17-inch balloons, you probably want to minimize it to about 2 per cluster, just because then it starts to get a little bit more difficult when you go to make your mini garland, and then you kind of lose some of those 11-inch balloons if you have too many of the larger 17 inches. So just keep that in mind and play around with it and see what you prefer. So obviously we went and inflated the 6 balloons that we have, and then we put them into little dumbbells. So now that we have that, we can start clustering together, and we're basically just going to twist these dumbbells into each other. When I do have a 17-inch balloon or a little bit larger than your standard 11-inch balloon, I like to start with that dumbbell and then another dumbbell here, which is 2 11s, and we're basically just going to cross them over and then twist them together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and try not to talk over all the squeaking. And then you're just going to take these 2 balloons and just keep twisting them around each other. About 3 twists is usually good and secure, and then you're going to grab your other set of dumbbells. Now that I have my other set of 11-inch dumbbells, and then I have my 4 that I've already twisted together, basically you're just going to do the same step over again, where I'm going to take this and cross it into the center and then pick 2 of the 11-inch balloons to twist around each other. I don't generally use the larger balloon to twist just because it's a little bit more difficult. This will just save you a little bit of time and a little bit of extra work. So let's go ahead and do that. There you have what makes up a cluster. We have a total of 6 balloons, a variety of 11 inches and 17 inches. Of course, you can do as many 17 inches in there as you like. And that is going to be basically the first step that is going to then lead you on to how to create your mini garlands. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned a little something, and make sure you check out the next video on where we show you how to take this and create your mini garland.